Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I have an exciting video yet again. Today I'm going to be testing out the new Mitchell and Beautybay palette. It's called the Me, Myself and MMMMitchell. Mitchell is a makeup artist. He does makeup on other people. He used to do it on himself, but now he doesn't do it on himself. He just does it on other people. He's from Manchester and I've met him before actually. He was really lovely. I met him at a Morphe store opening. He's a self-made MUA and he's grown so much and his talent is amazing. He's so good. So I'm really excited to try this out. So this is what it looks like from the outside. Such cool like different packaging with the holographic. Love that. Got 32 shades, 24 mattes, 8 shimmers. It's a brand new matte formula and lightly pressed shimmer shades. The pressed pigments in this palette are super buildable, blendable and have an unreal colour payoff. Each and every shade begins with an M and has a sentimental meaning to him. This palette has got all the brights, neutrals, shimmers and mattes and mixers. I've included every shade you could possibly need, so you only need to take this one palette everywhere with you. This is going to be £30, which is really good, and it's launching on Sunday the 1st of September, so this Sunday at 6 PM on Beautybay. The mirror, as it said, comes separately and the mirror magnifies to the middle, and then this is the palette. How cool is that it opens up like that? And that is it without the sheet on it. So I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade 01, blending that out with a little sponge. So I'm going to go in with the shade Moody Mitch, which is this deep navy blue. Pack that on this part of my lid, so just kind of on the outer corner but in my crease. Now I'm going to take some of the shade Mist, which is this light blue shade. Pack that a little bit on and a little bit above that first shade. Going back in with a little bit of Moody Mitch. Now I'm just going to take a clean brush and I'm just going to buff out those edges. And I'm going to take a little bit of the white. Oh, there is no white. No. He's missing something. A white. That's annoying. So now I'm going to go in with Mardy, which is this really dark green. And I'm going to pack that just next along in my crease, if that makes sense. And now Shmoney, which is the bright lime green. And I'm just blending that a little bit on and above that shade. Then taking a little bit more of that first shade, which is Mardy, and just blending that out. On the inner part of my crease, I'm going to take the shade Manchester, which is the yellow. And I'm going to pack that on the inner corner. And blend that into the green. This look is not going to be up to Mitchell's standards, but I'm trying here, I'm trying. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. It's looking weird on camera, but it looks fine in real life. If I keep just touching up like I am now, I'm going to be here forever, so I've got to stop. Yeah, I'm going to cut my crease. So I've cut my crease. It's obviously turned a bit of a funny colour because of the blue and stuff underneath. I didn't wipe it away, but I don't mind because it's just going to be covered up. If I was doing a look where this was going to be blank, then I would mind. These purples are absolutely beautiful. I love them. Kind of want to go in with them on the lid, but then I need to also go in with the red and the orange somewhere. So I'm going to go in with Motto, then Morgan, then Miles High. And I'm going to pack this on where the cut crease is. So I'm just doing this really messily and then I'm going to clean it up afterwards. So now I'm going to go in with Morgan, which is the like classic purple shade. And then going in with Miles High, which is the lilac shade, and packing that on my inner lid. I love that shade so much. Okay, so those applied really nicely. I absolutely love those purple shades. And I know in my last video I said I'm bored of purples. Well, I didn't say that, but I kind of was. I do like purple. Like, I'm going to dye my hair purple at some point, but yeah, I really like those shades. I think they're really, really pretty and really pigmented. Like, especially that shade. You wouldn't expect that to be so pigmented and not patchy because it's such a light purple, but it's so nice and I'm really impressed. So I'm going in with a bit of the base and the liner brush, and where I've left that gap, I'm just going to like create kind of like a little liner just to add a few more colours in. I think I'm going to do red and orange, maybe pink as well. Basically done. I haven't done this side yet, but you can kind of tell what I'm going to do. I'm going to do like a line. So I've cut out where I'm going to do it here, and I've started applying the red, which is Mad. I'm now going to add some of the bright pink, which is Morning Glory, and put that next. And then I'm going to go in with Mental, which is the orange shade. Okay, so this is what I've got so far. So I'm going to go off camera and do my base, well, on camera for my Instagram tutorial. So if you want to know what's on my base and everything else, then go check that out. And then I'll come back and finish off the eyes and tell you my full opinion and stuff. So stay tuned. Okay, so my base didn't turn out great, but we're going with it. So I'm going to go and do my lower lash line now. I'm just going to go in with the lighter shades first, and then maybe deepen them after. Okay, so now I'm going to have to use one of the shimmery shades on my inner corner. There are quite a few similar like whites with different undertones. So there's like this muffin one, which I think is more pink, marine one, which I think is more blue, and then the minty, which I'm guessing, oh yeah, it's more minty. I think I'm going to go in with marine because it looks the most like glittery and shimmery. Okay, that is really pretty. It's like a glittery foiled shade. It's kind of like a cream. Okay, usual deal. I'm going to go put on my lashes and do my lips and then finish off this whole video. Okay, so I can't be bothered to do my hair and it's way too hot, so I'm just going to leave it tied back. Sorry about that. But this is the finished look. This is my better eye, but this is the better side of my face, so I have problems showing you. It looks better on this eye, but my face is better on this side. So okay, so about the palette, I really like it. I think it's very Mitchell. Tell he's put a lot of effort into it. It's a lot to do with him. I like that there's a lot of different colours, but there's also some neutrals, but there's like a light and a dark of each colour. Most colours have a light and a dark version of the shade, so I really like that, with like the greens and then the blues and the purples and the pinks. The only thing that's missing from this is a matte white, and I'm surprised that he didn't put a matte white in. I feel like he could have taken out one of the shimmery white shades and replaced it, or maybe one of the brown shades or something. I don't know, I just feel like it needs a matte white. I felt like I needed a matte white earlier. Like, I like it when a palette has a black and a white, so you can like lighten and darken each colour, but there might be a reason why. I feel like he's used white a lot though, so I don't understand why he wouldn't have put white in. But I do think it's very Mitchell otherwise, because he uses a lot of colour, which I really like about him. He uses colour and he enjoys using colour, so the mattes blend really nicely and they're really pigmented. And the shimmers, I only used one, but it was really foiled and metallic. The others look the same formula. I really like the packaging, although I do put this down a lot and I do misplace it. Oh, also there's only one side that magnetizes. But I like that you can just have this open as it is and just have your colours out on your table or where you're working. So there's not another flap of something. You just have all your colours. I like that there is a mirror, but I don't know if I'll get much use of it just holding it like this. But to travel with, I guess that would be really handy. It's a really different design. I've never seen anything like it before. And I really like the packaging because it's also very unique. For £30, I think this is really good. And I really recommend it, because if you need some more colours or if you just want to try a different formula, it's really pigmented and blends nicely. I just think it's a really great palette to have, and I can't wait to use this again and create other looks. I'm really impressed with that lilac shade. That's probably one of my favourite shades, the lilac shade. It's such a pretty colour and it's so pigmented and isn't patchy. A lot of light lilac purpley shades can be quite patchy because they're so light, but that one, it just looks absolutely gorgeous and it was so nice and pigmented. I loved it. So that's probably one of my favourite shades. Yeah, I want to do another look already, but congratulations to Mitchell. You've worked so hard and I'm so proud of you. Thank you to you and Beautybay for sending this out to me. Really means a lot. And yeah, I really like Beautybay. I've been using Beautybay for years. I ordered from them like years and years ago. Bought my first like Zoeva brush set and I fell in love with their website. I ordered so many times off there. and it's my place to look if I want to get something new. They have so many brands on there. The people behind it are really lovely as well. I've met a few of them and their team are just really nice. So yeah, it's crazy to me that I used to order from them and now I get products sent from them. It's crazy. But yeah, this is such good quality for £30. There are 32 shades, less than £1 per shade, and the pans are really big. So the palette comes out on Sunday at 6 PM UK time, so go get it. Go get your hands on it. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling. I need to get on and edit this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. It would really, really mean a lot. My Instagram is Alice King Makeup if you want to go follow me over there. I will be posting a tutorial on this look and the rest of the products and stuff, so if you want to know what's on the rest of my face, then go check out my Instagram tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!